Hello friends of analog photography. In today's video I'm going to share some of my test images with you that I took with the Nikon F55. It's this camera that I've already mentioned in one of my previous videos. What I like about this thing is that I can use it with my modern Nikon lenses. This gives me an extra step of quality on the 35mm film. So without wasting any more time, let's start the slideshow, and if you like it, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you. All images were shot on Ilford HP5 Plus. The film was not pushed or anything in post, it's just developed and scanned in to show you the images.